Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to activate LL Bean MasterCard online. LL Bean MasterCard is issued by Citibank. Now to activate the LL Bean MasterCard online, you need to first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and you can type in LL Bean MasterCard Activate. Then you can press on enter. With this, now here you can see different search results. As LL Bean MasterCard is issued by Citibank, here you can see the website of Citibank. Here you can see LL Bean credit card, sign on or apply online option. Here you need to make sure that you click on the given search result as shown on the screen. After this, you will be taken to LL Bean MasterCard activation page. Now to activate your LL Bean MasterCard, you need to first log into your MasterCard account of LL Bean. For this, here you can see sign on box on your left side. You need to first enter your user ID of your LL Bean MasterCard on the given box. With this, if you want your user ID to be remembered, then you can click on Remember My User ID box. After this, enter the correct password of your LL Bean MasterCard account. Now, if you don't remember your user ID of LL Bean MasterCard, then you can click on Retrieve User ID option and continue with the further process. If you don't remember your password, click on Reset Password and continue with the process of resetting your password. Similarly, if you don't have your LL Bean MasterCard account, click on Get Started option and continue with the process of registration. Now, after entering your user ID and password, click on Sign On box. With this, now you'll be able to log into your LL Bean MasterCard account. After you get logged into your LL Bean MasterCard, you'll be able to find Activate option. You need to click on the Activate option present on the top. With this, then you need to provide some of the details as mentioned on the given boxes. After this, you need to click on Activate option and then you'll be able to activate your LL Bean MasterCard. This is how we can activate LL Bean MasterCard online. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.